Unlock the future of productivity with Microsoft Copilot right on your machine. Let's dive into getting Microsoft Copilot installed and ready to supercharge your workflow. The first step is to ensure you have the correct prerequisites you'll need to be running a supported version of Windows. Microsoft Copilot is integrated into Windows 11. So if you're on the latest version, you're likely already set to go. If you're on Windows 10, you'll want to confirm that your system is up to date with the latest service updates. You can usually find this information by going to your Windows settings and checking for updates. Once your operating system is ready, the next crucial step is to access the Microsoft Copilot installation for Windows 11 users. Copilot is often built in. You can activate it by simply clicking the Copilot icon that appears in your taskbar, usually found near the Start button if you don't see it. Or if you're looking to explicitly install or manage it, you might need to visit the Microsoft Store. Navigate to the Microsoft Store app on your computer. In the search bar at the top of the Store window, type Microsoft Copilot and press Enter. This will bring up the official listing for the application. On the Copilot app page, you'll see an option to install the application. Click on the Install or Get button. The store will then download and automatically begin the installation process for you. It's a straightforward procedure that doesn't require manual file management. Once the download and installation are complete, you may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important as it links Copilot to your personalized settings and services. After signing in, you'll see the Copilot interface appear, ready to assist you. To begin using Copilot, simply click its icon on your taskbar or use a designated keyboard shortcut. If you've set one up, you can now start typing your requests or questions into the chat interface. Whether you need help summarizing documents, drafting emails, generating code snippets, or brainstorming ideas, Copilot is designed to be your intelligent partner. Experiment with different prompts to discover the full range of Copilot's capabilities. For example, you can ask it to explain a complex concept, write a creative story, or even help debug a piece of code. By integrating Copilot into your daily tasks, you'll find your productivity soaring and your workflow significantly streamlined.